Hi, my name is Todd Schlekeway. I'm the Executive Director of the National Association of Tower Erectors, and I'm privileged to be joined by Ernie Jones from Consolidated Engineering. And Ernie was one of the participants in the Gin Pole Summit we had today here in Dallas-Fort Worth. Thank you for joining us, Ernie.
Thank you, Todd.
Talk a little bit about, Ernie, what's new with the 1019 standard.
Yeah, the 1019 standard is a rewrite of the former 1019 version, which was totally about gin poles. All of the information about gin poles, technical and otherwise, is still contained in the new 1019A. The way we evaluate gin poles is basically the same, but the 1019A has a lot of good examples, figures, and ways of clarifying what was intended for proper use of gin poles. Now, what's new in the 1019A is a full section on construction considerations for our industry, and also a full section on loads on structures and how to go about evaluating structures for these loading forces. Also, the new 1019A requires rigging plans, and in the standard there will be there is a template for rigging plan evaluation and examples of how to do proper rigging plans.
How can we best go about educating the industry on what's new in the standard, Ernie?
Yes, that's a great question. We're having a special tower summit now, basically for the gin pole and training for the gin pole. We feel that our industry should have a viable training program, and experts in our industry are now helping us outline that program. We think it will be something along the line of a certain web-based type training classes, some classroom training for a more intense study of the standard and the practices we think that are correct, and an on-site qualification for the type of gin pole equipment they'll be using.
Well, thank you for joining us, Ernie, and we appreciate your expertise as an engineer within the industry. And until next time, we'll see you later.
Thank you, Todd.